Hello friends, welcome back to a tutorial video here today on Chima Dedicated Video channel. In this video I want to show you a tutorial on whiteboard animation. Very important. You can use whiteboard animation for product promotion, for a lot of things, a lot of different kind of videos. So I'm going to use a particular tool. And this particular tutorial is just part one of it. We are looking at this tutorials little because there's so much to talk about when it comes to using this tool for whiteboard animation. So let's look at the tool we're looking at. Go to your Play Store. Please download this app called Benimi or whatever. So that's what we're going to use. So in this part one, I want to show you, give you an introductory part of Benimi. So few things you need to know and how to use this. Make sure you have an updated version of this Benimi. So once you launch it like this, the first part of what we're going to do, you're going to see where you have this plus sign down here. Just click on it. It means create. You want to start creating. So these are the first few part of things you're going to see. Now just type what you want to do. You might just call it video 1. This is not the main name for this whatever. And whatever thing you are writing here, please make sure you close up the gap. There'll be no gap. This is video 1. And now the question you ask yourself, what type of format are you preparing this video on? Is it a YouTube format? That is the what you see as the default port. But if it's not, click inside this place to choose. Is it YouTube format? That is the long form video, or YouTube or 720p, or is it Instagram, or is Instagram this one? Is it TikTok? Is it TikTok Reel? Because this one is a YouTube short. Then is it Vimeo? Is it Facebook post? Is it Twitter? Is it Tumblr and all that? So choose the one, and already let's still go with what we already have here, which is that of YouTube, whatever. Now after I've done that, you click on create project. Now this is the first part of this. This is exactly what I want to introduce before we go to the next part of this. Once you go to this place, this is your interface where you're going to be writing. Now look at this down here. You're going to see 3 different pages. The first one is sticker. This sticker, if you click on it, it's going to take you to where you pick up images. I'm going to try that one. It's very important for us to look at that one. That's why you choose your image. You know, when it comes to whiteboard animation, it's not just the text. The image scribing makes it fantastic. You see, when you are somebody saying something and you are also scribing images, maybe of a product and all that, and as fast as it could be, this is what makes it fascinating. Now, the text is where you put your text, which is also animated. Remember, it's whiteboard animation. Then this beach's background, you can change this background. As you see, it's white. You can change it to a different color, or even choose an image as your background. So let's assume you are doing something with your education. You have already downloaded an image of a school or a background of a classroom. You can use that as a background. That's what the beach is all about there. The hand there means you change the hand, the right up, the hand, the way the hand will look like when it's writing. You know, it's scribing. You see that hand writing as whatever the text and all that. So what would the hand look like? Then you look at music. In this music, that is when you want to add music or a voiceover. You understand? Because most times in your animation videos, you may just put animation, a write-up is going on, and a background music is playing. And once people are watching the write-up, they understand what you're communicating. But in certain cases, you don't just need, people may not understand your point by reading. They need to hear you speak. So in that case, instead of using music, you use voiceover. So those write-ups going on, you are speaking out to read out what is there. Do you understand? That's what music is all about. So let me now, as it stands at this moment, let me try to click on that of sticker to show you, for instance, what I'm talking about. Look at it. So when you go to that sticker, you now see either you are seeing pick your own. That's the first part that you're going to see. Add image. Add image means there are images you already have on your device. So you're going to do that and choose it. Add animation, add SVG. Some of these ones might not be very necessary. Just simply click on this add image and choose whatever image you must have downloaded, you want to use for this. Now, but apart from that, the system has so many of its own image that are already on the system you can use if they are relevant to what you are doing. Look at the casual mail. Now imagine what you are doing. You want to put anything like this, a mail image, and look at it. You can choose from any of this. These are ones the system has itself. You have corporate mail. Do you see it? You can make choice of any of this. You have corporate female. You have male occupation. Are you getting it? Look at this. Maybe you want to use soldiers for whatever you want to do. You have female occupation. You have child. Watch the video you're preparing. You want to bring in on children here. These are so fantastic. You have senior, that the aged people. You have group. You have social media. Look at all these. You see all these icons. That's what you want to use. You have challenge. You see all the icons, key, and so many of them question mark. You have finance. Look at it. You can choose any of these things. You have shapes. You have business. You see it. You see all you have here. You have education. You have animation. These ones are animated graphics. That's how they are. You have community helpers. So these are people, their occupation and profession is like helping community, like police and all that. You have biology, things that are related to biology. You can see it. Imagine you are preparing a video that has to do with biology as a teacher. You can get some of what you're looking for, like you're teaching on flower. You can even bring all of this in instead of going online to download anything. You have people, you have flag, you have drawings, you see it, you can see all those things. You have school, you have weather, you see, you have kitchen, you have vegetables, you have fruits, you have furniture. These are so fantastic. You have electronics, you have buildings, different kind of building, church and all that. You have sports, you have vacation, you have tools. These are free tools I'm talking about. They have cosmetics, you have portraits. You see all the free tools that the system has on its own. So all you need to do is, well, you make a choice of one. Let's assume you want to use any of these things in your video. Assuming we are talking about, let's say, what we want to discuss on this video is, let's say, fruits. Okay. Let me just choose one of the fruits here. Any fruit that, okay, this avocado. I just choose it. Assuming this avocado now I choose. Remember this part 1. Now I want to just show you. Now I can increase this. It's okay. Now if I decide to stop at this moment and feel that this is all I need for now, I might still choose select color and all that. But let me leave it for now. Now, if I play this, just watch out what will happen. You will see the scribing I'm talking about. You see it. Are you seeing it? That's the scribing. That's animation for you. I play it again. I can reduce the speed. Where do I reduce the speed? If I click inside there, you can see I can reduce the speed where you have duration. If I increase the duration time from this 3 seconds, I click here, I'm increasing it. So if it takes time, the duration, the more you increase the duration, that is the reduction of the speed. If you reduce the duration, you are increasing speed. So I've now put it at 8. Now let's go. Now watch the, are you seeing it? You see, it's now less time. The speed is slower because I increased duration. So this is the first part of it. All I've just done, I've shown you the main interface of Benimi as one of the best whiteboard animation tool. Now, in the next video on this series of whiteboard animation with Benimi, I'm going to show you so much. You're going to see how to put text and animate and everything about that. And so many things when it comes to adding music and all that. Then the issue or the area of, putting voiceover is another tutorial. And also, saving your work so they can also download it or upload it to any place, YouTube, anywhere. I'm going to show this is how the series. So I'm going to encourage you, if you want to learn this fully, and use it for your product promotion, any type of video, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Very important, so that as we release the videos, you'll be there to get updated. If you check out one of our playlists on this YouTube channel, you're still going to see playlists that talk about YouTube videos and all that. You're going to see most of our videos that teaches on this. Very important. If this video makes sense, please do wait to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video so that others too can benefit from it. This is part 1 of this whiteboard animation with Benjamin. Expect part 2, 3, 4, 5 coming up, and I promise you have so much to gain from this video. I want to stop at this moment. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.